install this real quick. Yeah, super easy. Super easy. Just waiting for you. So I can start my next video, you know? It's a separate video. It's like a quick 5-minute install video. So what's up, everybody? In today's video, we're gonna be installing the Grimmspeed Pitchstop mount for my friend here, Nick. So we actually been working on his car, and before we actually put the intercooler on, we wanted to install the Grimmspeed Pitchstop mount. How much is this Pitchstop?
99 bucks.
$99 is this Pitchstop mount. Nice and very solid compared to what stock is. Stock is like a plastic, and you got some nice bushings here. So yeah, so this should be like a 5-minute install video because this is just 2 bolts. Well, technically, if you're actually doing it from the beginning real quick, you have to take the intercooler off, and that will take a little bit of time because you got to wiggle the intercooler, right? But since we have the intercooler off, the installation will take just 2 bolts, and that's pretty much it. And then we put the intercooler back on, but we don't have to show you that. So what we're gonna do now is just pretty much what we're gonna do. Just unbolt. There's 2 bolts on the pitch top, and then put these 2 bolts back in, and that's it. It's not too hard. All right, so all you're gonna need is a 14mm socket and wrench, because there's a nut and bolt right here, and there's only 1 bolt in the back, which is the other side. So all we gotta do is just take those off, and this will come loose. Take that one off, take the whole bolt off, and then will come loose, and then we can just slide the one in. Pretty simple. So now here is where you have the differences. You see that tiny little plastic there. It's all plastic and soft bushings. While this one is a big solid piece of, this is aluminum, right? Yep. And you got some heavy duty bushings right here. So you can see the differences right there. And all you gotta do is just pretty much, it was very simple to take. Put this back in, put the bolts in, and that's pretty much it. All right, so we installed the pitch stop in there, somewhere in there, right there, and that's it. That's pretty much the installation. It's just 2 bolts and you're done. So the quickest installation video that you've ever seen in your life. So that is the end of this video. There's really short installation video. What do you guys think? Should I do like more videos like this, like really short install videos? Is something that I could entertain for the future, for more future videos, like really easy and quick installs of anything that we can do in the car? Just tell me what you think. Leave a comment below. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe. And that's pretty much it for this. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.